More money in the banks for millions of families as the IRS deposits roughly $15 billion into bank accounts across the country. Nearly 60 million children are eligible for the monthly expanded child tax credit. And tonight, we're answering questions about how that credit works for divorced parents who share custody. I spoke with a local tax expert to find out. Monthly payments of up to $300 per child under age 6 and up to $250 per child under age 17 are on the way, the result of a possibly temporary expansion of the child tax credit, part of the massive COVID relief package signed by President Joe Biden in March. Households that filed a 2020 or 2019 federal income tax return and claimed the regular child tax credit will get payments automatically. But how does this work for divorced parents who alternate claiming their child? Should the person who claimed the child in 2020 opt out of the monthly tax credit? It's a question I took to Eric Freeman, who's a CPA and tax senior manager for BeachFleischman.
The person who took the credit in 2020 but is not taking it in 2021 would go on and unenroll so that they don't risk having to pay back potentially all or some of the credit when they file their taxes later.
According to the IRS, you have until August 2nd to stop the payments.
The parent that is claiming in 2021 but did not in 2020 should be able to add a dependent using the IRS's child tax credit update portal.
Here's a look at the portal. The IRS doesn't give an exact date, but says by late summer you should be able to make changes to your dependents. What if you didn't have a filing requirement last year? Freeman encourages you to log on to the IRS website and use this non-filers tool.
You can add the dependents that you had. That way you can still get the credit because you can take this credit even if you didn't earn any income.
If the parents of minor children are separated but not divorced and filed joint returns in 2019 and 2020 and the child tax credit was claimed by both parents, the advance payment will go to the bank account, usually a joint account, on the tax year 2020 return, or a check will be mailed to the address of record on the tax return. Again, advance child tax credit payments are based on the children claimed on the taxpayer's 2020 tax return or 2019 if 2020 hasn't been filed just yet. We'll have more on our website.